High-Tech Radiators is known among transformer makers world over as an established supplier of oil cooling radiators and distribution corrugated and flat wall tanks. During its 30 years of existence, the company has created 3 enormous manufacturing facilities spread over an area of 25,800 square meters. The plants at Rabale in Navi Mumbai and Khopoli in Raigad manufacture tanks and radiators respectively, while another plant at Khopoli undertakes galvanization of the 2 products. The 3 plants are within 45-kilometer radius of the Nhava Sheva port, managed independently by the finest professionals. Behind its recognition as a Government of India certified export house is High-Tech's 2 decades of robust service to the global market. This in turn is driven by High-Tech's highly motivated, efficient managers. This extremely competent management team carries the vision to retain High-Tech's world-class status in the global transformer industry and its top ranking among radiator and tank manufacturers. The dependability of High-Tech's products is a result of the team's strong focus based on the team's strong values, integrity and honesty, healthy competition, consistent performance, customer satisfaction, stability and safety. Regular safety and sustainability audits ensure smooth, disruption-free operations evident from stringent audits by global MNC agencies and customers. Similarly, a sincere compliance with local standard rules ensures zero discrimination against blue-collar workers. After 3 decades of efficient service, High-Tech today stands tall with a presence in over 36 countries and strong associations with prestigious brands such as ABB, Siemens, Schneider, General Electric and Crompton Greaves to name a few. The radiator plant in Khopoli can manufacture 1,200 metric ton of radiators per month, which is one of world's largest manufacturing capacity. The radiators made here are 520 mm wide with a center distance of 1000 mm to 4500 mm. and 1 mm and 1.2 mm thick CRCA. The header pipes are 80 NB and 100 NB with pitch option 40, 45, 50 mm. The complete range of High-Tech radiators consists of welded radiators for hermetically sealed transformer, flange type bolt on radiators, central type radiator, offset type radiator with 130 mm or 180 mm offset options, swan neck radiators, fin cut radiators, railway profile radiators. The High-Tech plant has 2 high-speed automatic panel making lines running at 3 meters per minute to manufacture radiators, which are then assembled and tested on hydraulic jigs and fixtures for dimension accuracy. The High-Tech radiator plant has 75 highly skilled welders capable of producing a high first pass yield, 5 leak testing stations with audio-visual interlocks for guaranteed testing, scrupulous welding inspectors for strict compliance with weld and quality norms. Galvanizing. The fabricated products are moved to High-Tech's galvanizing plant. Here, a fully automatic galvanizing furnace with a kettle that is 2.5 meters wide, 2.5 meters deep and 5 meter long is set to galvanize a complete array of radiators. High-Tech uses 99.995% zinc and works in strict compliance with emission and safety norms. The radiators are dried in the oven after they are thoroughly cleaned, pickled and fluxed. The dried products are then submerged in zinc, which is maintained at 450 degrees centigrade. Each product is single-dipped as is the global norm in the radiator industry. Once galvanized, the products are passivated and subjected to 100% inspection to check the DFT of zinc. There are 3 grit blasting booths with auto grit recovery, filtration system and CI grit to achieve SA 2.5 blasting finish. 3rd booth with special aluminium grit to roughen the surface. State-of-the-art overhead conveyors in high-tech assist in moving the blasted radiators faster while protecting the damage of paint film during process handling. The flow coating facility helps in preventing corrosion by coating even the inaccessible areas. An innovative, state-of-the-art paint lab can undertake salt spray test, humidity test, water immersion test, acid immersion test and peel-off test. At high-tech, all radiators are subjected to internal cleaning and coating to avoid contamination, oven facility on conveyor for drying, 100% inspection before packaging, utmost care so that there is no transit damage, dry air filling to prevent corrosion. Radiators are packed on pallet with angles, accessory covers and rubber-coated spacers and lashing. The pallets are then stuffed into containers under expert supervision. All the pallets are fumigated along with the container to ensure IPPC compliance. That is how a finished radiator is created. High-tech can manufacture 300 metric ton of tanks every month with a size limitation covering a range of tanks with 1900 mm width, 3200 mm length, 2500 mm height and weighing 3000 kg. High-tech also manufactures accessories such as cable box, conservator, top, etc. A fully automatic fin folding machine produces corrugated fins, which is followed by automatic multi-spot welding and automatic seam welding at edges of corrugation. The corrugated walls have a width of 1600 mm, a wall height of 50 to 400 mm, a pitch above 40 mm, a thickness of CR 1 mm to 1.5 mm. The high-tech tank plant has stud welding facility, automatic laser cutting machine with programmed nesting, an in-house bending facility with world-class Amada bending machine, 4 assembly stations, 8 welding cells, 54 highly skilled welders, capable of producing a first-pass yield with less than 3 leaks per tank. Testing procedure each before and after blasting. Scrupulous welding inspectors for strict compliance with weld and quality norms. The fabricated tanks are moved to high-tech's galvanizing plant. Here, a fully automatic galvanizing furnace with 2.5 meter width, 2.5 meter depth and 5 meter long kettle size is set to galvanize a complete array of distribution tanks. High-tech uses 99.995% zinc and works in strict compliance with emission and safety norms. The tanks and radiators are dried in the oven after they are thoroughly cleaned, pickled and fluxed. The dried products are then submerged in zinc, which is maintained at 450 degrees centigrade. Each product is single-dipped as is the global norm in the radiator industry. Once galvanized, the products are passivated and subjected to 100% inspection to check the DFT of zinc. Once blasting is done, the tanks are exposed to UV testing to achieve zero leak at the customer end. Blasted tanks and loose parts are sent to painting shop 1 and 2 respectively. All of them are moved on the conveyor. Overhead conveyors in Hi-Tech assist in moving the blasted tanks faster while protecting the paint from damage during process handling. The flow coating facility helps in preventing corrosion by coating even the inaccessible areas with nominal dry film thickness. An innovative, state-of-the-art paint lab can undertake salt spray test, humidity test, water immersion test, acid immersion test and peel-off test. At Hi-Tech, all tanks are subjected to internal cleaning and coating with hot oil resistance paint to avoid contamination, oven facility on conveyor for drying, 100% inspection before packaging, utmost care so that there is no transit damage. Pallets are designed in-house as per size of the tanks and as per container planning. All the pallets are fumigated along with the container to ensure IPPC compliance. After the Hi-Tech standard packing, they are stuffed into containers under expert supervision. That is how a finished tank is created. Hi-Tech has stood out in the global transformer industry with its constant innovation, ever-evolving expertise and its knack to quickly adapt to the latest technology. With the best of tanks and radiators produced in its modern plants and advanced machinery, Hi-Tech is prepared to provide an extraordinary customer experience by creating some of the world's finest products. And with this, Hi-Tech will continue to create value for his customer.